Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make sushi out of paper. To begin, gather your essential crafting supplies. You will need various colors of paper, such as white for rice and green for seaweed, along with scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Don't forget your glue stick or liquid glue to secure all the pieces. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and enjoyable, allowing you to create beautiful paper sushi pieces with ease. Next, let's create the rice base for your sushi. Take a piece of white paper and cut a strip that is about 2 inches wide and 8 inches long. Carefully roll this strip tightly from one end to the other, forming a neat cylindrical shape. Once rolled, apply a small dab of glue to the end to secure it, ensuring your rice base holds its form perfectly. This will be the foundation for your delicious-looking paper sushi. Now for the fun part, adding the vibrant toppings. Select different colored papers to mimic your favorite sushi ingredients. For example, use orange paper for salmon, green for avocado, and red for tuna. Cut these into thin strips, perhaps about 1/4 inch wide and 2 inches long. Carefully arrange and glue these colorful strips onto the top of your white paper rice base, making your sushi visually appealing and unique. Finally, let's wrap up your paper sushi with the nori seaweed. Take a strip of dark green or black paper, approximately 1 inch wide and 10 inches long. Gently wrap this strip around the entire rice base and its colorful toppings. Overlap the ends slightly and secure them with a small amount of glue. This final touch will give your paper sushi a polished and authentic look, ready for display or imaginative play.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.